If it gets named, it would be in the Central Pacific, which would be Lala. The big update, if you're just joining us for the first time here, this came in through the afternoon window. Invest 99E is right behind that in the EPAC. Both of them are in warm water right now. Why there's favorable conditions for these to actually form. Yesterday, the big concern, or the big question mark, I should say, was with Invest 93C. Would it hit the northern side of the island? Would it hit the southern side? I think there's more confidence that it's barreling right towards Hawaii itself and the Big Island. And so is any of this an anomaly? No. When we're looking at this, this is ultimately the time of year where you're seeing more of the favorable conditions. So let's dive deeper into Hawaii and what they're looking at with these updates and that tropical threat. So this is the time of the season where you're starting to look at those named storms. From yesterday, we had a light orange that stopped short, right? This is the confidence meter ahead, which is growing and growing, which is an indication that there could be a direct hit towards the Big Island of Hilo. As we bring out the ensemble lows, you'll see how consolidated they are, how compact they are as they go towards Hawaii. Notice that the overall timing of this leads us to late Saturday into the Sunday window. Now, there may be a direct landfall, but because the island chain, likely all of them, will feel some type of impact, whether it's the rough surf, the significant amount of rain, or just the wind impact. Here's the ensemble run, and notice that the consensus model puts it right into the heart of Hilo and the Big Island. And so this is an adjustment from yesterday, more confidence that there will be a direct impact as we go into the weekend.